Hi everyone. welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday, May the 16th, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but also in this newspaper, in the additional, there are 5 or 6 extra Sudokus. But I will first solve the regular Sudokus with priority, because I think those Sudokus the people love on YouTube. So I will solve them first. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the 2? 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be here. And then, in this second column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. Here are 6, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here or could be there in this column. We see a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. And then I need to go to another digit. We have a pair here. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. Two of them are the numbers 1 and 4. So the 1 and the 4, I cannot place the 1 and the 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 4 as a pair goes in these 2 boxes. That means the other 2 numbers are the numbers 5 and 9. 5 and 9. 9 and 5. I mark them. I think this Sudoku have a lot of pairs, so I need to mark them, otherwise you will make mistakes. Alright, 9 and 5, that means those 3 boxes, empty boxes, are reserved for the numbers 7, 8 and the 2. I see here 7, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. The 2 and the 8 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Oh, do I make a mistake here? The 2, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 4. But in this row, I need a 2. What the heck? The 9. We already have a 9 here. We have a 1, 4, so this should be the 2 and a 4. 2 and a 5. Big mistake. Alright, so it's a 2 and a 5. Good that I see that earlier. So now the 2 and a 5, that means 6 is okay, yes. How about the 7, 8 and the 7, 8 and the 9? The 7 we have here is correct. The 9 and the 8, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. This should be the 9. Wow, what a mistake. And this should be the 8. Yes. So 2 and a 5, 2 and 5. I didn't saw this 9, so I thought the 5 and the 2. Alright, now can I continue? 8, 8. That means these three numbers, it's actually 4. 7, 7, no 9, the 8, 8. Here should be the 8. 1, 2, 4, and the 8. No, the 2, 4, and the 6. Yes, these three numbers in the last row, the missing numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 6. The 2, 4, and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 here, 2 and a 6 here. So this cannot be a 2 or the 6. So this should be the 4. Here, the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 1, and this should be the 4. The 8 and the 5 are missing here. I mark them as a pair. Here, the 1, the 3 are missing, and the 1, 3, and the 7. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about... Yes, 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 7 should be here. The 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this last column for the numbers 5 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. I mark them as a pair. How about the numbers 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 3 places for a 7 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And now... 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 2 and a 5, I see here a 2 already, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, we have a 2. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 3, 4, 5. How about these 3 numbers in the second row? The missing numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. The 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. Then how about this one? 1, 3. Yes, these 3 numbers in this big square. The missing numbers here, because I know those are the 4 and the 5. But the missing numbers here are the 1, the 5, and the 8. 1, 5, and the 8. We see here an 8. 1, 5, no, the 5 we have here. Sorry, the 1, 3, and the 8. 1, 3, and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. These 2, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 4, I believe. Yes. Then we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. How about 7, 9, 8, 5? Nine and 5. I need to wait. How about these 2 numbers in the second column? The missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 5. 8 and the 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be here. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number. Oh, no. The missing numbers are the 8, 9, and the 5. This should be the 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. 8 could be here and 8 could be there. I need to wait. How about these 2 numbers, the 4 and the 5 I see here. And 4, 5, and the 3 are missing. Yes. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. This column, the numbers 4 and the 5 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and the 5. That means 1 box left for this big square for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. In this row, also the 4 and the 5 are left. Are missing. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. Then 2 numbers left. Oh, no. Here, 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 9, 1 number left in this big square for the number 8, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 8 is missing. The second row, the number 9 is missing, and the final number of this big square, the number 5. Finish in 50 minutes. All right. For this Sudoku medium. Do you like this medium Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new ones to my channel. Was me to say thank you again for watching this video. Yeah, have a great weekend. I will see you on Monday, and keep on puzzling, people. Bye bye.